Good morning, everyone. This is a very special day. It's actually our 132nd Founders Day, and to the best of my memory, it's unfortunately rather unique. It's rather unbelievable that this is the first Founders Day that we've ever had scheduled, and we don't have our children with us over here. In fact, we're not even celebrating it in the auditorium as we usually do with so much fervor and enthusiasm. Well, times change, and I was asked to record a message for all the very special members of the Weinberg Allen family, so I'm doing just that today. Like I've already said, yes, the children are not here. Yes, the auditorium isn't ringing to our singing of the school song and the celebration of what our wonderful founders did for us. But I think it's something that we can still learn from. It's still a day to give thanks. It's a day to give thanks, of course, to our founders for setting up this school and enabling us to be where we are today. It's a day to use to learn, no matter if school isn't open officially. It's a day we can be at home and we can give thanks, and we can use this opportunity to learn things that we've never learned before. Yes, to even learn things that we can't learn in school. Weinberg Allen has been around for a long time, and it will be around, God willing, for centuries more till the end of time. The people who make it special are so many, so very many that I hope I don't forget anyone. This is not going to be a speech, but it's just going to be some rather simple thank yous felt from the bottom of my heart and from the bottom of Weinberg Allen staff and family's heart. And it's going to be just a few observations or thoughts. I don't really know, I haven't prepared this. So whatever comes to mind, I'm just going to say it, and you can bear with me while I do so. Let me start by something rather official. This one is obviously needed, and it's so very necessary to thank our board of management. Even in these trying times, they have been steadfast like they always are, and they have supported the school, they have guided us, and whenever we need them, they have always been there. Not just the current chairman, Mr. Singha, and the board, who are absolutely marvelous and supportive and wonderful guiding lights, but it's time to give thanks to the hundreds of people who have served on the Weinberg Allen Board of Management and Weinberg Home Society. They have all contributed in so many ways, and they have actually given of themselves without any motive of anything for themselves, but just to support the school and to help our children grow and flourish. Thank you so much, Mr. Singha and the board, and may God bless all those who have gone before, who have done so many wonderful things for the school. All the board members, the principals, the headmasters, the teachers, the service staff, perhaps more than anyone else, and all the children who have studied in the school before. I will come back to the former students with a message for them as well. To our students who are at home, I hope that you are using this time really effectively. I know that each one of you is missing school, and Weinberg Allen is so much more than mathematics and physics and English and history and geography. We know that. It's much more than that. And at home, you have online classes, and we are trying to keep up with academics. But there's so much more. I'd like to believe that Weinberg Allen has prepared you for life, and you have learned how to learn. So I hope you're using this time. In fact, I know that most of you are, at least the ones that I interact with online during my classes. I know that you've learned various new things. You've learned so much how to use technology. But most of all, you've learned and applied what you have learned in Weinberg Allen already, which may not necessarily be maths and English, like I said, but you've learned how to apply the learning that you have gained. So you are learning new things, and you're going further, and I hope you continue to do that. Learn how to learn, and learn how to apply your knowledge rather than just rote learning and being able to do assignments and so forth. Also, Weinberg Allen is so proud of the way that you behave while in school and at home, and I'm sure that at home you are proving to be an example, and you are actually keeping the school banner flying high like our founders would have wanted. I'm sure that anyone who can still interact with you, maybe online, on WhatsApp or whatever, neighbors, relatives, friends, I'm sure that they would see that you are balanced and you are able to deal with situations and come out of it stronger than ever before, taking adversity in your stride, just like our school motto, which we keep quoting from time to time. So no matter how many travails and problems come up on the path, you just get stronger and stronger, never bothering about them, but climbing upwards to your goal, which is, of course, Excelsior. So we miss you greatly, and we really can't wait for you to come back to Weinberg Allen. It's really, really sad not to have you in the hallways and to hear your laughter, your talk, your questions, all the fun and games. But hopefully, God willing, we'll be back soon or whenever it takes, and we'll try our best to make up for whatever time we have lost and use what we have learned during these times. So lots and lots of love to each one of our students. God bless you all, and happy Founders Day. Do spare a thought for your founders and for your school, because they have enabled us, all of us, to be where we are today. To our parents, thank you so much once again from the bottom of my heart. I don't believe that any other institution has people like you who support us so unconditionally. You often turned a blind eye to our shortcomings. You know that we try our best, but when we make mistakes, you are there to support us. You have been so supportive during these trying times. I am so touched by so many of you who took the time and effort to send emails or messages on Microsoft Teams or wherever, thanking the school and the teachers for their efforts. Many of those who did so are parents of new admissions who spent about 10 days in the school and then went home. And those parents took the time to write to us and thank all the teachers and point out that they appreciate the efforts that the teachers are making. Messages like that make it easy for us to carry on and to keep trying. I've said this before and I'll say it again. Obviously, when we've moved to online teaching, we've had our hiccups and we still have them. We have our problems. But your support, your love, your trust is what makes it possible for us to carry on. Thank you once again for trusting Weinberg Allen with your children. That's an honor and a privilege for which there are no words that I can express to thank you enough for. There cannot be a bigger sign of trust and love than to put your child in a boarding school, in our care, and to be able to trust us with your children. We are honored and privileged, and your children make our lives what they really are. Without them, as we've realized unfortunately in these trying times, our lives are really not worth very much without your children over here. So thank you so much, parents. God bless you all, and a happy Founders Day to you as well. Finally, I want to end with our ex-students. I'm sure that some of you might come across this video and this message, and I'd like to leave a message for you as well. I do follow your thoughts and comments on Facebook and other media from time to time, and when you keep in touch. And I want to thank each one of you for your love for the school. The way that you keep in touch, the way that you take an interest in everything that happens, your support. So many of you have sent your children back to Weinberg Allen, and that's something that is so encouraging and really makes it worth our while. So thank you for that. Thank you for going before. Like I talked about the board and the other members who have made it so very possible, it is each one of you, along with the former board members and principals and teachers and service staff. Your contribution is like a story that I heard actually. Or it was put like this, that when someone goes there first, goes maybe into a jungle or into difficult terrain, there's obviously no road and you have to make your own way. So I think back to Peter and Mary Cables, our first students in 1888. Those students had to make their own way where there was none. Those wonderful people, and of course the headmistress, Mrs. West, and everybody else involved. But as time went on, obviously each one of you who entered these portals, you made that pathway smoother, wider, and better. Today I'd like to think that it's like an expressway where our children are achieving great deeds. They are racing ahead in life, and they're becoming so much better human beings and contributing so much more to the world. But all of that is due to each one of you who entered these hallways, who made a difference, who took part in a debate, who played football, who studied in class, who laughed, who cried. Whatever you did was only making the way better for those who were yet to come. And I hope and pray that each one of our students today, and all our staff and all of us, continue to do just that. Make the way better for those who are yet to come, so that Weinberg Allen can speed on to happiness, progress, and to make our country and our world a better place. Thank you all so much. Happy Founders Day. God bless you all. Excelsior.